All right, so up on the roof here, gonna take a walk around and look at a few things and talk about a few things. Um, so first of all, there's a lot of debris, nails, scrap shingles, stuff like that, just all over the roof. You can see here, and yeah, it's pretty much everywhere. So I would certainly recommend cleaning that up, getting the nails and stuff off of the roof to facilitate water flow. So after that, we have exposed nails on capping. Every section of ridge vent here has the last cap has those exposed nails, and they should be sealed with caulking, or even better is you'll see they'll cut the roofers will cut a square or a circle of shingle, and they'll actually glue it over top of that, and that should last the life of the roof. So like I said, one on each ridge vent, one there, over the end over there, here, and then this one is not a vent, but it was the last cap that was nailed on, has exposed nails. So let's see. Oh yeah, I want to talk about this vent here. Now I was a little bit concerned here. For one, this seal here is usually up higher, so this almost looks like this was installed and then the vent like got pushed down or settled down. Yeah, I can like pull on it, so this may have to be pushed back up and refastened, because what's going to happen is, water and snow is going to sit in here, and it's going to wear that seal out prematurely. I'll show you what it normally looks like on this one. You can see how it's raised up in the air so water can shed off of it. So is this one? Yeah, okay. So then there's another thing I want to talk about. Same vent. The fact that the shingles are sticking up. They're not laying real flat. You can see there's like a piece. I don't know if that's scrap or what's going on there, but they're just not laying real flat here. And then this sort of should be sealed down so that rain and wind can't get underneath of that, especially where that's nailed. See how this side is caulked down and it's laying flat, nicely and flat. I'll show you this one. This one's okay. See how this is nice and flat all the way around, and it's glued down. See, it's glued down. I can't peel that up. That's how you want to see it. So is this leaking right now? No, but just the way that it was installed, that could be like, the first roof leak you get a couple years down the road, something like that. So definitely I'll have someone take a look at that and see what they can do with it. Yeah, like I said, there's just, I don't know if it's coming up on the video, but there's just nails, scraps of shingle everywhere. There's a couple of caps left up here too. So yeah, that should be cleaned up, but then there was this one spot, hardly worth mentioning, but This part of the shingle, the green part, should not be exposed. Probably not going to be an issue, but I will point it out. Just in case you look up and happen to see that from the ground, that well, there should have been there's a lot of different reasons why it's like that, could be like that, but that shouldn't be exposed like that. Not much you can do about it, really. You could try to glue a piece of shingle on there. I don't know that it's worth it. These holes here, that's from when they're doing the siding and they have their pump jack stabilizer arms and they're screwed through the roof. Typically how do I say it nicely? Someone who cares would, or knows, would peel the shingle up and then put their stabilizer arm under the shingle. And when they're done, put the shingle back down, put a little caulking under it, and then that's it. You're done. You don't have holes in your new roof. And so there's like that here. And down here as well. Okay, yeah, right here. And it was like that on this side and down the other side on the ends. Also, same thing on that end where it goes up and down. They used a darker caulking over there to caulk their holes, so it's a little bit harder to see. And then I'm pretty sure they did the same thing with some sort of stabilizer arm here. Except they didn't seal the holes. You see a hole there and there, so. Yeah, so I'm not going to be able to get it in this video, but on the porch here, there's damage. I don't know, I would say probably 5 or 6 shingles that had damage from ladder feet sitting on them and sort of dug into the shingles. Here's another spot you can see the where they've had put their roof jack stabilizers right here. So, and that didn't get caulked, so that's in need of immediate attention. So, yeah, I think that's gonna be about it for this one.